Our shade is joined to group 1. I'm going to make sure group 1 is pressed. Then I'm going to press and hold the programming button on the shade and then open on the remote. We've got a red light here. That indicates that the shade is in limit adjustment mode. Now I can slightly lower to my preference right there. That's where I want the upper limit to be. Now I'm going to deselect group 1, press and hold the stop button on the remote for approximately 6 seconds or until I see the interior lights blink, because now I'm putting the remote in programming mode. Now I'm going to press and hold the programming button on the shade and press open on the remote. I get a shade jog indicating that the new upper limit has been set. So now I'm going to take the remote out of programming mode. I'm going to make sure group 1 is pressed. I'm going to lower the shade just a little bit and double check that that new limit is set. There we go. And that's how you use a PowerView Pebble Remote to adjust the upper limit on a designer roller or screen shade with PowerView in under 60 seconds.